back to the big red boat called Lucaya. Get an opportunity to see it from a closer.
I think that you only need 4 fish right there, I'm not sure, but you could use one there. Dad, what you filming?
Yes. Oh, his brand's still on the page?
Hello, my name is Ozzy.
Just a few minutes, we're going to be having a dinner by some of our special fun, guys. Once again, folks, please remain seated and go around the way. Sorry, folks, you can't take pictures. What am I talking about? I was just kidding. You can't take pictures, folks.
Allison and Matt want a bug hug. He might hug between you. Yeah, look at the bug you love, don't you?
Jim. Okay, happy birthday to Jim after 3. 1, 2, 22. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jim. Happy birthday to you. They told me I could put the cake in your face.
Give you an idea, just to give you a general idea of the expanse of the ship. This is the hallway. One direction from our room. And this is the hallway the other direction from our room. A big boat man.
The crime to be left. I think that if all the evidence is explored and
this
AC's
is
testimony comes in on that issue, it's going to be very clear
entryway.
that he was not leaving because he felt guilty, but was leaving because of all these depressing things that
The
are going on in
bed
his life at this time.
with a babe, built-in babe.
To try to save some money for his family. So AC's testimony on that, I think, could be critical.
A little fold-down bed in which
We'll take a break to back with more phone calls for Donald Ray, and I'm just told that in addition to Senator
fast
Feinstein
asleep.
and Governor Childs and Congressman
And
Ortiz,
another combination couch bed.
California will also be with us tomorrow. 2 Republicans, 2 Democrats, all following
And our own personal porthole
all on Larry
through which you can see absolutely nothing because it's 9:45 in the evening. Get a nice view of the camcorder though. and the other direction, complete with 13-inch color TV and CNN, the only broadcast station.
Father, 31 years old today. So we're getting it.
Oh, it's for Jimmy?
Yeah. Jim would be 31. He was 31 today.
He's got to the tuck in?
He's the one that we're going to tuck him in.
Are you serious? Yeah. Oh,
Just for ordering it.
Are you serious? Very cool. Tweety, this is gonna be a big one. Okay, go on in, Tweety.
There's somebody.
Here's for the kid on for the dad.
He's the one laying over on the bed.
This is here to tuck Daddy Jim in. The daddy's getting tucked in for his birthday, isn't
Yeah.
it?
We're gonna tuck little Jimmy into bed.
Surprise, Dad!
Popcorn!
Cool.
Popcorn! Popcorn!
Okay, I'll get the picture of that. Look over here, Jimmy.
Yeah, we
Can he fit in there? I'll tell you.
Baby Jimmy.
Do you get to tuck in many big guys?
Okay, wait.
Get Jimmy.
Okay, Jimmy. Tweety wants you to lie down and close your eyes. Listen, Tweety. Listen. Tweety wants you to lie down and close your eyes because they have a surprise for you, okay? Close your eyes.
I better take him. I don't know.
Keep it closed, Jimmy.
Keep those eyes closed. Quick.
All right. Okay, Tweety, go on.
All for listening.
Thank you. Very nice.
Tweety came to me.
What else did I get?
We don't have his glasses on. We better give you your
Tweety
glasses.
bird sheets? What are
It's
they?
a pillowcase with all of Tweety Bird friends on it.
Oh,
So you can sleep and think about Tweety. Yay!
Okay, look over here,
Now
Jimmy.
you can see.
Jimmy, look over here. Tweety, nice smile for Jimmy.
Tweety, do you do any older Jimmy guys like this age now? Well, we're glad you did. It's his birthday today.
Wonderful, yeah.
That's
We had
cool.
to cap off the day.
Yay! I know. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jimmy.
Okay, you guys
Happy
all jump around
birthday
Jimmy.
to
Let me get a group shot with all of
Here,
them.
okay, let's see. Everybody
Everybody
happy birthday, Jim. Ian, come here. We're gonna get a group
We
shot.
would get you. We got you.
Group shot of the
Then he got away with it.
Ian, come up here.
Group shot with
Wait.
Tweetster. That's a good name for Tweety.
The Tweetster, all right.
All right. Thank you, Tweet.
This is cool. I wish
Thanks a
I
lot,
had
Tweety.
tuck in.
All right, Tweety. You gonna go to bed now too? You got your little nightcap. Okay. Good night, Tweety. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Tweetster.
Thank you for the presents.
Say good night, Tweety.
I only like
Okay, say bye to
You
Tweety.
get out of here.
Have sweet dreams.
I didn't even know you. I didn't even know you had.
Aww.
I didn't even know you had the team.
Okay, bye-bye.
I didn't even know Sweet
Tweety has a
Thank you
sleeping
much,
cap
lady.
too. And look, there's a whole birthday.
You can pick up this picture tomorrow morning. We open at 7:30 in the
Make
photo.
sure you get your
Okay,
beauty rest.
right.
We've got a big day
I
tomorrow.
didn't even know he had pajamas.
Bye.
Yeah, he's getting ready to go to bed
Look
too.
at, oh, you got a, oh, look, Tweety, look at this. Oh,
We got a bag here.
Yeah, I got a bag.
And a Tweety.
Yes,
Look at
you
this.
did.
Look, I get another.